Straighten the legs. Lean forward. Fingertips on the floor. Fingertips on the floor. Okay? And now from here, you try to lift your right leg up. So we pulse it up. Yes? And then 10 times right, 10 times left. जितना यहाँ पे बैठोगे तो ये easy काम है, ये थोड़ा challenging. This is working on your legs also. This is working on your core also. Straighten your legs, everybody. Come on your fingertips and start pulsing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left side. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next. Abhi, take your right hand underneath your right leg. Right hand below right leg. The legs are folded. Okay? Bring your right palm on the left thigh. And from here, pulse it up. Here. ये हाथ नीचे रहेगा, ठीक है? Now fold your left thigh with both the palms and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And from here, now hold. Hold. Only right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Bring your left hand below your left leg. Bring your palms on the right thigh and start with your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Tight hug to your left thigh. Start pulsing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gently come back. And now from here, we get ready for Tibetan 4. Lift your pelvic up. Now, you push your pelvic behind, the hips are off the ground. Watch. Lifting the pelvic, tabletop. Okay? Now push your pelvic behind and keep your pelvic lifted up. If you want, you can use the blocks. That will help. If you want, you can use the blocks. So, inhale, you come up. Exhale, you sit back without dropping your pelvic on the floor. Up and back. Up and back. Can I see? Up and back. Up and back. Up and back. Up and back. Yes. Keep going. Up, back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 10th one, inhale up, exhale, stay. 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax.